Hi! Due to the way YouTube works, I want to make a quick announcement before this video. If you like this video, please consider hitting the like button or leaving a small comment. It really helps. If you feel like helping even more, you can check my Patreon or Ko-fi accounts. All the links are in the description box. Thank you! Greetings! In today's video, I'll be taking a look at another nice box from Papergang. I'm a bit behind with showcasing these, so that's why I have another video about them so soon. Also, they are pretty awesome. This box was September's box, featuring the artist Gemma Correll. It was following a theme of self-care and organization. Most of the boxes have a bit of the organization theme to them, as they are full of stationery items, but this one was particularly focused. The design of the box itself is already a good indicator, featuring self-care designs on the front and a well-being chart to cut out on the back. Inside the cover of the box, we find information about the box. This part is the same every month. The items are also presented the same way every month. They are wrapped in tissue paper. As these have had to travel quite a bit to get here, the paper is a bit worn out, but that's its purpose after all. As this was the September box, it contains the November calendar card. I always like to look at the small leaflet next to get a feel for the month's artists. Oh, I would like to take a moment to thank the people who used my referral link to try out Papergang. Thank you so much! In the leaflet, you can find the list of the box's content, a small interview with Gemma Correll, and a few other fun little things. This box has a small extra in the form of a tea sample from Teapigs and a discount code for ordering tea at the Teapigs website. The first actual item from this box that I grabbed is the set of reward stickers. There are 4 sheets of the same pattern in a super nice vellum envelope. The stickers are really super nice and the packaging is perfect. Next item I grab is a pad of paper featuring a to-do list template on each page. It's all the same fun design throughout the pad. Then I grab a folded out sheet that happens to be the academic wall calendar. This thing is huge. I love that it can be used as a poster of the goofy smiley face as well, if one has no use for the calendar or wants to keep the poster around once the calendar is outdated. In my box, I got a nice notebook with the same goofy smiley face. I love the design of the inner pages, as I really like it when the lines in a notebook are light rather than dark. The last item in my box is a lovely print featuring a cat. Yay! I really love it because it also features the text and the brief, which is actually helpful to me. And it has light neon pink background, so I'm very happy with this one. Overall, it's another pretty awesome box from Papergang. My only tiny negative point about this specific box is that apparently there were more designs for things like the notebook and the to-do list pad, some of them featuring cats, and I didn't get those. As the hardcore cat lady that I am, this is a bit of a bummer, but it doesn't reflect at all on the awesomeness and quality of this box. I love that most items are printed locally in the UK, as Papergang is UK based. I love that they work with artists for the box's content, and with a charity to help plant trees. It's a really nice box. If you feel like you'd like to try out Papergang, I would suggest that you use my referral link in the description below. It doesn't change anything for you, but it really helps me afford future boxes to open and share here. Thank you very much for watching, and take care. Bye bye. Before I leave, here's a reminder that I have accounts on Redbubble and Society6 for fun things like stickers and mugs. Bye bye!